So in this example, we're going to look at the figure that is used in number 4 in this section, section 2.5, and look at the marginal cost and look at a graph of cost and how the marginal cost can give us various information. So the first problem, it's similar to number 4 in the book, but I've modified some of the problem a little bit. And the first problem, which is not in the book, is to estimate the marginal cost when the production level is 20 and interpret what that means. So we want to do is we're going to look at when our production level, Q, is 20, and this is the graph of our cost. So it looks like it costs $200 to manufacture or produce Q items. And marginal cost is slope. If it's linear, it is the slope of the cost line, and if it's nonlinear, it's the slope of the tangent line. In other words, marginal cost is the derivative. So we want to look at it right around 20 and try to get an idea of what the tangent line might look like, and having a straight edge like I have can be helpful. And so we're going to sketch what the tangent line might look like. And we see that when we go from 20, we have 2 points. We have 20, 200, and we have the point 50, and let's see, this is maybe, I don't know, 290. There might be some room for interpretation of that. And so we're going to look at the slope of the tangent line. I'll mark it with M, would be the change in Y's over the change in X's. And so we get, what is that, 90 over 30, or 3. And so this tells us we're going to estimate the marginal cost. When the production level is 20, we're going to estimate it to be, well, I'll use approximation 3, because we're just approximating from the sketch. And interpret it, that means that when we're at our production level of about 20, we can expect additional cost of about $3. So $3 per item of additional cost. And that's the interpretation. So we can expect if we were to produce 21 items, we can expect the cost to be about $203. Parts B and C are from the book, and the question is the marginal cost for part B the greater at 5, or at 30. So we want to be looking at what are the tangent lines at these spots, and which one has a bigger slope. So we're looking at bigger slope, and at about 5, we're looking at a tangent line that might look like this. Sketch it. And at 30, we're looking at, it might look like something like this. And both of these are positively sloped lines, but this one has a slope that would be larger. So the marginal cost is greater at 5. So that means that if we were to increase from our production level from 5 to 6, our additional cost would be greater than if we increase production from 30 to 31. Similar problem, which is greater, marginal cost at 20 or at 40. So 20, we already estimated that to be about 3, and at 40, we can see, I'll still sketch it, we can see that that one is steeper. This tangent line is steeper than this. This has a bigger slope. And so the marginal cost is greater at 40.